Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video I'm going to show you the CapCut green screen tutorial, and in here I've already opened my CapCut apps and I'm going to show you the tutorial. So I'm going to just click on the background video first. So just click on new project and choose the video that you want to use as the background. So in this case I'm using this video. Click on add. Okay, so here is the video, and next I'm going to add the green screen video. So just click on overlay and click on add overlay and choose the green screen overlay. I'm going to use this one right here. So this is the green screen, and I'm going to trim the video to fit into the green screen like so. And for the green screen, since I'm going to resize it so it fits into the frame like so. And next, what you need to do is remove the green screen. So just click on the green screen overlay here, and then at the toolbar at the bottom, choose remove background and click on chroma key, and here click on the color picker and drag the color picker into the green screen like this and adjust the intensity like so. So you can just adjust it as you want. I'm going to just 28, and you can also adjust the shadow. I'm going to choose 100 shadow and then click on a check icon, and after that here is the result, the video and also the green screen. Okay, so this is the result. I think it's pretty good. And so yeah, that's basically the green screen tutorial in CapCut. It's so easy, and you can just find the green screen video and a video of your own. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.